Yeah, I mean, it was a tough game. We started very badly. We were down by, I don't know, around 20 points. Then second quarter we start to play. Third quarter again we didn't play. And again fourth quarter we started to play. So it went like this American roller coaster, you know, up and down. But yeah, that doesn't matter if at the end of the game scoreboard shows our win, then that's important. Yeah, I mean, there was, I don't know, 3 seconds on a shot clock, so I had to take it, and that's it. If you make it, you make it. If you miss it, there's nothing to do. Because actually we didn't have a good offense at this moment, but this is a basketball. I don't know nothing about that. I mean, I had the opportunity to come here, I took it, so now I'm here. I'm giving every practice, every game, I'm giving 110%, and let's see how the life goes.